fan. The fan is heavy. It's weighted so that the arm can't move. That's excellent. So you can't be gentle with it, you just gotta shove it in. Okay. So we use this little, I forget what these are called.
Babe.
Put it in like so. I want to think of what it's called before he tells me. Allen. It's kind of like an Allen key.
Babe.
All right. I don't think he's not hearing me. So once you put this in, oh, it says Allen wrench. So yeah, like an Allen key. It says you put it in here, and then you're supposed to tighten it. I'm recording, but isn't this an Allen key or an Allen wrench?
It's an Allen wrench.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. It already said it on there. I'm so dumb. See? Had it on there. I'm not that great with tools, okay? Alright. Well, I'll tighten that later. And then the next thing is this one. It's the overhead arm. You pinch this little head thing, metal ball side, into the top. So I'm gonna raise this. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And wait. I'm gonna loosen it as much as I can. Hopefully you can see it. Stick it in there. There. Oh shoot. What'd I do? Tighten this. Okay. Apparently not. There we go. Let's take this out. That's what it looks like. And then this is adjustable. Hold on. Okay. And then this one. Oh.
It's an Allen key, man.
Allen key?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I said at first, and then I'm like, oh, it's right here on the paper.
Yeah, I look.
And it says Allen wrench on there. But I thought it was an Allen key.
Really needed one year away.
Yeah. Thank you. So there's that. I think that's it. And then this thingy-majiggy is supposed to go all right, so we got that in, and then tightening. Okay, so that's already in. That's already in. So where does this thing come into play? Camera bolt adapter. Aha. Gotcha. I'll use it for the phone. So that's it. I mean, it came with that Allen key or Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. This, the base, this pole, which by the way, or this, the arm, whatever you want to call it. And this extends, so you untighten this part and it goes up even higher. Actually, I should probably show you, but it goes up higher. And then this, as you can see, it has these little screws where you can tighten it and untighten it and adjust the arm to however you want it positioned. And that's pretty much it. And I think it's gonna be amazing. And this is heavy. Okay, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So the table can move. I mean, it might tip, but I'm literally like moving it. So this is heavy. And yeah, I'm excited to use it. And I showed you in the beginning that this opens up for the phone. And yeah. So there's my unboxing. I hope it was helpful. And if you're looking for something like this to get a better angle, then I just wanted to share it in case you were interested. All right, so there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.